Madhul, speaking of discipline, I come across people, especially who are working from home. When we started working from home, our schedule got messed up. We didn't have proper timings, and because of that, I can see a lot of people started losing, their interest, or they started getting no time for their physique and workout. I believe even you started working from home. So
Yeah.
how did you manage that, and how can others manage that if they are having this thing in their mind?
Priorities, bro. Priorities. At the moment, when I see people, what I see is the first priority for them is obviously work, which obviously should be. Well, I mean, whatever they are working on, the first priority for most of them is work, and the
Uh-huh.
second priority is fun. Fun. What I did
Okay.
was, so I segregated it into three priorities first. First would be work, second would be workout, and third would be fun. Slowly and slowly, the workout part and the fun part, they merge together.
Okay,
Now,
okay. You combined them.
yeah, bro. Now the thing is that the first priority is work, the second priority is fun. But the workout part is accompanied with fun. It is
Uh,
accompanied with fun. I mean, even if I earlier when I would get around half an hour or hour of time, I would just watch some television or I would play some game or something like that. But now, what I would do, I would just go and hit the gym. I would do some workout and all.
okay, okay, okay. So it's all
So
about
what I
priorities.
say, yeah, bro, it's all about priorities. Unless and until you make your health your own priority, you won't be able to achieve that state of discipline. You need to prioritize it. Health nowadays it matters, bro. It's your health, bro. If you don't live properly, if you don't stay in a healthy way, how do you expect that everything would be peace and everything would go in a proper way?
Yeah,
To have
especially.
that yeah, bro, that discipline, it just come from your priorities. Unless and until you are focused upon it, unless and until that thing is important for you, you cannot be disciplined towards it. The first thing is
Especially,
that you should consider it as important. Yeah.
yeah, especially after pandemics, people started realizing that health should be a priority, right?
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
I hope you found it useful, and if you're watching or listening till here, then it means a lot to me. I really appreciate it. Please do like and subscribe to the channel and share it among with your friends. This podcast is available on Spotify, Google Podcast, and exclusively on our platform selflabs.in. Please check out SelfLabs and subscribe to our newsletter to get updated on our new content releases. All that's being said, thank you and take care.